Hi, this is Zero Pow Jimmy Pablo. I'm making this quick reel. If you're interested in checking out some books or you just want to buy some time doing something and looking into the history of within women, I left this one for you to check out, which is Women, Art, and Society, the sixth edition. It's a world of art within the women, how they did most of the arts back then to present. And then we have 19th centuries novels written by female writers. If you're interested to check out what these females did with their spouses or boyfriends back then and how life was, leave it right in this video for you to take a look at it, and probably a link if I can fit it in the description. So that way you can check out these novels to see how our ancestors back then, made a history to the present day, what made a society today with modern women. All right, so that's about it.